Bro, guess what? I'm still here at the cafe per my stomach. Nagprotesta na. Like, kanus apa man kumukaon. So now, I'm planning for my gourmet dinner experience. Sure! Gourmet dinner sa mong kagaral. Pero since my partner's a certified shabu lover, back to our favorite shabu spot. So, dili lang ni siya paborito niya, no? For the record, paborito sad ko ni. So, alam mo na, mahal mo na. Wala tayong magagawa. Ito, food is love and food is life. So, dapat lang namin diri.
Very hard. Cooking maybe 30 minutes to do everything. Huh? We don't peel it while it's still fresh. We peel it once it's already cooked. What we usually do for preparation is to get the black one at the back.
So, ayun na nga. Diba? Char, Tagalog. Wadiri dito among topic, but we were talking about shrimp culture. Like sa Thailand, they peel it before luto. Per spinas, gora lang. Hugas-hugas, then remove the sun vein. Oh, sun vein. Ito, mauna siya ang itom na linya. Yes, girl, mauna siya. As in, karon pa ko kay bawo nga sun vein din tawagan na, pero para mahuman ang tanan, para masatisfy gyud ang akong cravings, ice cream dayon. Tapuso na to ni siya sa akong pinakapaborito nga ice cream. Bye.